Before we jump in, I do earn a referral fee when you use the services and companies I demonstrate in the video, but there is no additional cost to you. I choose them because they're the best in the industry and you're safe with them. Do I need an LLC for Turo or my car rental business? Have you ever considered renting out your car to earn some extra cash? With the rise of platforms like Turo and the sharing economy, renting out your car has become easier than ever. In this video, we'll explore how you can rent out your car, the pros and cons of doing so, and precautions to take. How do I rent my car out? Renting out your car involves utilizing various services such as Turo and Getaround, often referred to as the Airbnb for cars. These platforms allow you to list your car for rent, set your own price, and choose rental durations. To qualify, you typically need a car in good condition with a clean title, meet certain mileage requirements, and have insurance coverage. By signing up for these services and completing the necessary steps, you can start earning money by renting out your car. Before we dive into the video, let me introduce you to Busy, a professional formation service company that specializes in helping you file your LLC or corporation. Busy is an amazing company that simplifies the entire process of creating your LLC. They even offer a service where they'll file your LLC on your behalf, saving you from all the hassle. A full review of Busy is available in the description box below. Okay, now let's get back to today's video. Pros of renting out your car. Renting out your car as a side hustle can bring in extra cash that can offset your car-related expenses. Depending on the demand and location, you can earn a significant amount each month. Additionally, renting out your car benefits renters by providing them with more affordable options compared to traditional rental car companies. Cons of renting out your car. While there are benefits to renting out your car, there are also potential drawbacks to consider. One concern is insurance coverage. Make sure to check if your personal auto insurance policy covers rentals, or if you need additional coverage. Another risk is the possibility of car damage. Although platforms have policies in place to protect owners, accidents can still happen. Additionally, renting out your car means it won't be available for your personal use at all times. Lastly, renting out your car is part of a relatively new industry, and as with any emerging market, there can be some uncertainties, including how self-employment can affect your insurance. It's essential to carefully review any potential car rental platforms, as they may not yet have a long track record. Reading reviews, understanding their policies, and doing thorough research can help you make informed decisions. Precautions to take. To ensure a smooth renting experience, here are some precautions you can take. Make sure your insurance policy covers it. Before renting out your car, it's crucial to review your personal auto insurance policy to determine if it covers rental usage. Some insurance policies may have limitations or exclusions when it comes to renting your vehicle. Contact your insurance provider to discuss your intentions and inquire about any necessary additional coverage options specifically tailored for car rentals. This step will help protect you from potential liabilities and ensure you have proper insurance coverage in case of an incident during a rental. Consult a lawyer about your personal liability. Renting out your car involves legal considerations, and it's wise to consult with a lawyer to understand your personal liability and obligations as a car owner. They can help you navigate the legal aspects of renting your vehicle, such as drafting a rental agreement that protects your interests and clarifies the responsibilities of both parties involved. A lawyer can provide valuable advice and guidance tailored to your specific situation, ensuring you have a solid legal foundation for your car rental endeavors. Check the reviews of the renter. When someone expresses interest in renting your car, take the time to review their profile and check their reviews from previous rentals. The feedback and experiences shared by other car owners can give you insights into the renter's reliability, their adherence to rental policies, and their treatment of vehicles. This step helps you make an informed decision and minimizes the risk of renting your car to someone who may not handle it responsibly. Inspect your car for damage before and after. To protect yourself from any potential disputes regarding damages, it's crucial to conduct thorough inspections of your car before and after each rental. Document the condition of your vehicle using photos or videos, capturing any existing damages or signs of wear and tear. This detailed documentation acts as evidence should any issues arise regarding the car's condition. If you notice any new damages after a rental, communicate them with the renter promptly, and provide the necessary documentation to support your claim. By following these precautions, you can minimize risks, safeguard your interests, and ensure a smoother car rental experience. In this video, I'm going to show you how to start your own limited liability company in the state of West Virginia in 2024. This screen record I'll show, for example, like any state so that you can understand the whole process. That's why it will be shorter. Okay, so let's get started. After clicking the link in the description, you will land on this page. Hover your mouse over the Services section, and then click on the Form and LLC button. After that, click on the Start Now button, and from here the formation process begins. On the next page, select LLC as your entity type, and in the State of Formation option, I'm going to select West Virginia. As you can see, there are 3 different packages: Basic, Standard, and Premium. And the first thing that's worth mentioning is that the state fee does not change. You can see it's $125 in all the packages. Like other states, West Virginia also has 3 different plans, which are Basic, Standard, and Premium, and the price of the 3 packages is different, which I'm going to explain why. Basic package is the cheapest option out of the 3, and this is the package where Busy charges $0 for their service. If you select this option, you simply need to pay the $125 state filing fee that you have to pay anyway if you file manually. Some of the extra services that are included in this package are preparing and filing the articles of organization, unlimited name searches, free registered agent for 1 year, and unlimited phone and email. Next is the Standard package, which costs $199, and this is the package I highly recommend everyone to grab because it basically covers everything you will need to start a business legally. This package includes everything from the basic package plus other services like providing and filing EIN, which is a business tax number, operating agreement, lifetime company alerts, business bank account, tax consultation, Form 2553, etc. The Premium package costs $299 and is the most expensive one out of the 3 because it includes 3 extra services: free next day filing, business contract templates, and domain name plus business email. These services are like a cherry on top, which will help you to complete your LLC filing faster. In the next section, Busy is asking you to provide your LLC name and its designation. I will just type the name that I used to file an LLC before and select LLC as a designator. Below, Busy will show you how your LLC name will be displayed officially. Below, Busy is asking you to provide your business purpose. I will just type a random purpose here and click on Next. In the next section, they will ask you whether you want an expedited filing service or not, which I already talked about previously. In the next section, Busy will ask you to provide the personal information of the person who will be responsible for this LLC. In the next section, you will see Busy will ask you whether you want to use their professional business address or your own business address. In the next part, provide the mailing address of the responsible person of the LLC. Remember, a P.O. box is not allowed in this case. It should be a verified address. You can click on the Next button. After that, Busy will ask you whether you want to get a registered agent through them or not. Getting a registered agent is a legal requirement in order to file an LLC in any state. So, I highly recommend you choose the free 1-year option and then click on the Next button. In the next section, Busy is asking you whether you want to get an EIN or not. And this is a compulsory requirement for creating a corporation or LLC through your state. I will just provide a random SSN for the sake of creating this video. Below, Busy will be asking you to provide the address of the person applying for the EIN. Just click on the second checkbox and use the assigned address that will be provided by Busy, and click on Next. In the next section, Busy will ask you whether you will set up a small U.S. business bank with Bank of Relay, which I previously explained in the beginning. Next, Busy will ask you whether you want to get a free tax strategy or consultation call with them. Always select the Yes option because it will help make this clear how to run and operate an LLC and how to file taxes and lots of other things. After that, depending on the type or industry your LLC is about, Busy will automatically find out if you need any other business licenses and permits or not. The cost of these 2 licenses is $99. After selecting the Yes option, provide the address of your business where Busy will do additional research on your behalf. After that, Busy will show you your total due amount. Once you are done with the payment, they will start processing your order, and you will receive your LLC formation documents within 3 days to 6 weeks depending on your package type. So for just $601 in total, You can register your own LLC today in the state of West Virginia using Busy.